And here we are. Yes, here we are at the second-hand wooden knock-up house, knock-down house. It's being knocked up right now, and it's already up. Complete with swimming pool. So to take a quicker look, here's a swimming pool. The swimming pool is going in slowly but surely. This is an interesting way of building the swimming pool. I guess this is the way. The house is coming along really fine. And there's Gabrielle over there. We've got the thumbs up. We are venturing into this as a collective team with new technologies. And here you can see, semen baru ya. Nanti Bapak ini pakai keramik? Tidak pakai keramik. Ini masih basah di sini. Saya di sini. Oh, and the kitchen is in. Very simple kitchen. They've used just simple tile. I guess you really don't need more, although personally I would not have done it this way. The foundation is in and cemented. It's coming along fine. This is the office. Foundation, walls plastered. They're not far. I guess the next step is sanding and painting the walls. Ceiling looks good. Let's see if they've done anything upstairs. Yeah, swimming pool looks good. Swimming pool. And of course, here's another modern pump. Staircase is looking good. They've managed to secure it, make it a little bit stronger. It was a little rickety earlier, several days ago. It looks like they haven't done a lot of work up here. This pretty much looks the same. Now, a good paint job would really bring this place right back to life. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Oh, the bathroom tile is in. Now, I don't remember whether this was already done, the tile, or not. But you've got this really interesting pebble tile. Second-hand sink. Why not? Good quality. Second-hand toilet. Black tile. Not sure if black tile is appropriate for this saloon. It's a saloon door. Saloon door, they use black tile in there. What do you think? Okay. Yeah. What do you think about that?
I don't know about that saloon doors.
Saloon doors. Look at that. Of course, look. And everything's kind of, see there's two different doors?
Different doors, yeah, exactly. It's everything's reused, huh?
Yeah, look at the pebble tile.
The pebble tile looks nice.
But the black, I'm not sure why they use black.
Oh, yeah.
I wouldn't have done the black.
No, it darkens the room. Yeah, especially these walls absorbing all the light.
The light.
I would have done something better. But this is it, second floor.
Second floor.
The room. This bathroom.
And this is the walk-in closet, which is, well, it's pretty much turned into the worker's bedroom. Okay, that's pretty cool. Why not? Let's take a look outside, see how the view is. The view is magnifique. Now, you can hear the chainsaws in the background. Swimming pool.
You said it's a mail house?
Yeah, they're cutting wood, and they make these chairs that are in the shape of a hand chairs. They've been doing that for the last 20 years since I've been here, and it's still.
Stop anytime soon, so.
Yeah. Well, Pat Agung said that, oh, he thinks within the next 3 years that they're not going to do that anymore. But I mean, who knows?
Yeah.
So just this is Shiva G and Gabrielle G checking out. Come and see our new adventures into building and building regulations, finding masterpiece properties, and yeah, just learning, finding the truth.
Bye-bye.